Today we're going to talk about this new folding LED Worklight and charge bank that this company sent me. Very interesting. I've put it through the paces for the last 3 months, and I want y'all to take a look at it. Before we take a look at that light, quick update on the Commande. The entire dash has been removed. All the interior has been removed. Working on rust repair. I've got the HVAC box out and have put in a new evaporator core, a new heater core. It's all been cleaned up. All those wasp nests were removed. I'll leave a little link at the top if you want to see what all the wasp and dirt dauber nests look like on the inside of this HVAC box. Just about to build another gasket for that and get ready to put that back in. Okay, so to the light. Okay, today we're going to talk about this Worklight that the good folks at Hotligh sent me. As you can see, it's been used and put through the paces in my quest to work on this Commande amongst other projects. And after they sent it to me, I wanted to make sure that I give it a semi-long-term review. And so I've been using this regularly for approximately maybe since September. And as you can see, I've got a bunch of the Harbor Freight lights. I've got the Braun, there's an icon, and I even have on charge here this icon unit. All of these have been for sale for many years, but this is new, and let me show you what the differences that I found. Okay, first thing to note, it is a little bigger. Let me show you in relation to the other units. Okay, on the left here, we have the icon. Then in the middle we have the Braun. Now there's two versions of the Braun. There's a 300 lumen and 500 lumen. This is the 300 lumen. I had the 500 lumen, but I actually lost it, but it's about the same. And this one is the new Hotligh. Now the 500 lumen, the 500 lumen is the unit of choice now, because I don't think they even sell this 300 lumen anymore. So we'll just take this one and put this one back away. And we'll compare the specs between all of these shortly. This is the icon, and we'll talk about that one in a little bit. So back to the Hotligh, and notice it's missing the T because that's how they do their brand, Hot, L-I-G-H. So the first thing we'll notice is it goes both ways. So you can bend the head of the light both ways. It has a large button here to turn on the large light, the small light. Now the difference between the large light and the small light, this is a very white light. The small light is a softer light. It is not only less lumens, but it is also more of a yellow tint, easier on the eyes. And of course it has the little tip, flashlight tip there. And we talked about it being bigger on the base, and the reason why, this is great. This has a removable 5,000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. So one of the reasons why people like these Harbor Freight lights is because you can remove the battery from the base, but the icon you cannot. The icon is attached with a little connector, and that is one of the biggest complaints about that unit. In comparison, you will see that the Braun light from Harbor Freight is a 2,300 milliamp hours battery, and so as you can see, there is a difference in size there. And the construction of this is very similar. This is aluminum. It does have O-rings for all the attachments here and here. So all this is aluminum until you get to the head here, and this is plastic, just like on all the other ones. This light has a much larger magnet, and this magnet by far is the strongest magnet of any of the other lights, probably just because of its size, but it works awesome. So that is definitely a plus there. Another neat feature, what the others do not have, is a magnet right here on both sides. So this allows you, if you drop a screw, you can actually go in and retrieve it from the end, which is a really neat feature. And the magnet is on both sides, as you can see here. It does have USB-C input, And another neat feature about this is you can use this light as a charging block. This has a regular USB output, so you can charge your cell phone or what have you with that 5,000 milliamp battery. Not sure how long that takes, but you can probably look that up, but that is a neat feature that the others do not have. As far as durability, as you can see, I think it is at least as durable as the Harbor Freight units, including the Icon model there. And the only issue that I've had over these last few months using it every weekend extremely heavy is the dust cover for these units here is a kind of a pain. It constantly comes open, but maybe I stretched it, maybe not. Don't really know if that's their fault or not, but right now that's the only issue that I have. Everything else, it has worked flawlessly. And actually, I only use this. This is my go-to. I wanted to see how good it worked, and so far I will continue to use this. And here is the information on it. This is the part number. I believe you can get this from Amazon. I think Amazon. If not, either way, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for this. I'll leave some screenshots of the specifications of this model here, and you can go and compare these specifications on your own to Harbor Freight or any other brand that you would like to. So the Hotligh, I think, is a win. They did send this to me, so thank you for doing that. But this is an unbiased review, so to speak, because if I didn't like it, I would tell you or tell the company, take it back. But either way, I do like this. I think this is a better value than the Harbor Freight unit because of the features that were mentioned in this video. So hopefully this helps y'all make an informed buying decision. Y'all have a great weekend.